The OLED G10 was engineered to put the spotlight on everything you watch and designed to enhance any kind of space, on or off. So here are 4 ways to help you get the most out of yours. The uniformly thin profile on the G10 was made for this. Flush mounted against the wall using the included proprietary wall mount and a recessed box to hide the cables. For this, we recommend a professional installation since it may be necessary to move electrical connections. But if now isn't the right time, no worries, there are plenty of other options. Even without an installer, you can still get that professional look with your G10. Easily hide those wires with a few clever touches, like a raceway cable concealer available at many hardware and electronic stores. And there you go. If you already have a 300 by 300 vessel wall mount in place, chances are it'll fit your new G10. Just make sure it's rated to support the weight of your new G10 TV. It won't be flush to the wall, but you'll still get that ultra slim profile with a lot more ease. And if a wall mount isn't for you right now, just use the optional feet. And you can always decide later to wall mount for that super sleek gallery look. So there you have it, 4 ways to enjoy the one TV that is a literal work of art.